day 4 of our renovation, and it's Monday morning, and we've had a couple of days off, so we had a bit of a break, so refresh today. And what we're going to do today is I'm going to be doing the steaming the ceilings, try and get this wallpaper off, so it's going to be a real job today. Mark's going to be doing the fireplace, which is there. He's going to try and take all that out. That's going to be his job today. Our dog here is supervising here on the floor here. She's supervising, aren't you? You're going to supervise today? Keep an eye on us. So yeah, so what we're going to do is put it on time lapse today, and then you can see what we're going to be doing, and then we get back to you later. Right, see you later. Bye.
Okay guys, now I'm about to take the gas fireplace out. Now I always recommend that you get anything disconnected with gas by a gas engineer. I've turned the gas off at the main supply, so I'm able to disconnect the gas, and then I will cap it off, and then I will use a little bit of washing up liquid, a little bit of water, and I put all around the joint to see whether it's sealed. Also, when I put the cap on, I'll use some of this jointing compound before I screw the cap on there, and then I will get a gas safety engineer to remove any pipes that I don't want or display. So it's important that. Now, before I use my breaker to break this out, I'll always wear headgear and glasses, and also use a mask. So always put a mask on and headgear, just because you don't want the dust all in your nose, and obviously this is noisy old business. So what I'll do now, I'll put you on time lapse, and I'm going to start taking out this fireplace. as you can see, guys, completely taken out the surround, and the half is all gone now. Obviously we will be screeding the floor to get that level, and what I'm actually doing with this wall is I'm actually going to batten it out. I'm coming out sort of roughly 4 inches from the wall all the way along, and then I'm recessing in the TV and fireplace. So the TV is going to be flush, so actually going to sit in a recess on here and there, because I think it'll look nice and modern that way. And also because we've got a lot of these external wiring was done externally, it means that all these cables are going to be hidden in the cavity, and I can put proper sockets and that on. So that's the plan of action. Also, if I move the video along here, hopefully you can see there's a door opening there, and that's going to be closed in as well. So any comments below, I appreciate. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Oh, before I go, if you want to see how Karen's got, she's done about a quarter of the ceiling scraping. Where are you, Karen? Yeah. She can explain what she's done.
Oh yeah, I've done the
Quarter.
yeah, I had to stop because I had to help you with the fireplace.
Yeah, she stopped because she was helping me clear the rubble and everything like that.
Your labourer.
He was my labourer, so
he stopped me from what I was doing.
Exactly. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Please like, subscribe, and post your comments below. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.